Good evening, this is Giuseppe Basile. I'm the Annie Sanctuary. You can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good afternoon. Today is May the 16th, 2013, and it's 7:20 p.m. Italian time. I want to remind you the Italian time zone is GMT+1. What you see on the screen is the daily chart of the Euro FX currency futures contract traded on the CME, and what you see is the continuous contract aligned to the June 2013 expiration. Now, those who follow me know that in the last few weeks, although I'll be a little bit silent because I'm working around a major move I'm doing, as I will be moving to Canada in the next 3 weeks. I was a little bit silent on my blog, and that's the main reason why. But those who follow me know that in my last post on April the 30th, I have anticipated the possibility of this short level, the 132.40 area here, to work, and that's what we got. And at some point, I've also mentioned the fact that we had violated this continuation higher, with price moving below the 130.70. Now, what I did not anticipate with this reaction higher to this level, but as you can see, it was followed by this continued to move lower here. And those who follow me and follow me on Forex Factory as well, where I post every now and then, know that the target I'm looking at is this 121.25.30 area here, and I believe we can get there in the next 2 weeks. Now, there was an important development in the last 3 days, because we have a confirmation which was obtained by price piercing below this 129.40 level here. Now, that happened the first time on May the 10th, but this was not confirmed on the spot Euro US dollar pair. And so I wanted to wait and see whether this 129.40 level would be pierced and violated with authority, and that's what happened basically on the 14th, on May 14th. So it happened during this week. Now, the violation of this level is very important because it confirms this 125.25.30 area of target here. So what we can expect now is a retracement, and maybe this retracement has already happened today as price came back to test this 129.35 area here, having targets below. The first target in the 128 area, and the second target would be in the 127.40 area here. So if we see a continuation, that's where we are going to see price. Of course, we could get a larger retracement here, and I believe, well, actually I anticipate that it could be stopped at this 130.20 area if we get there, but very probably we are just continuing lower here. So this is it for this update. So I didn't leave you alone. We are and I am personally moving with a position in this area down with the market, so I'm profiting with a swing short, and I want to remind you that all my considerations are for swing plays. I am a part-time trader, so I don't look at the moves during the intraday moves. Actually, I look at them when I have important violations on the 4 hour time frame, but that's not something I would trade anyway. So I'm actually riding this move lower into this 125.30 area, and that's where we should then see some profit taking coming. And interestingly enough, this move down is coming in a moment in which the SP 500 is moving higher. So when there will be a correction, even a small correction for the US stock indices, then we will see added pressure to this euro as well. This is it for this review. I hope it was interesting. Please keep browsing my website. In the coming days I will keep and weeks I will keep updating it. There may be some days in which I'm not going to post because of my preparation, as I mentioned before, but I will come back anyway at the beginning of June. I will come back and my post will be more regular. So thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a very good evening, and if you want to receive my newsletter, which I resume as well, please go to my website, and on the left side you'll find a picture, and you can click there, and in few seconds you can input your email and data, and I'll be very happy to send my newsletter to you. Thank you very much. Have a great evening. Bye bye.